Hi everyone, I am Aminu Muhammad Adamu from Federal University Dutse. I would like to use this medium to express my gratitude toward the general public, the National Association of Nigerian Students, NANS, and to the management of Federal University Dutse for their help, support, and prayers. And with regard to this, I would like to use this medium to tell the general public that it has been brought to my attention that some people are catfishing my account and cloning my name and posting something on social media claiming that I am the one. I have nothing to do with it. With regard to this, I will also like to seek and ask the general public for prayers that tomorrow I am going to start my exams. I think it is by 11 o'clock a.m. in the morning. And I would also like to thank the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the mother of the nation, in person of Her Excellency Aisha Buhari, for finding me worthy in her heart to forgive for my recent actions, and for her moral advice that I should change for the better. And inshallah, I will abide to those words. And I would also like to thank the NANS president in person of Usman Umar Barambu for standing firm for me and making sure that my freedom is assured. And well, I need your prayers for my exams tomorrow, and I thank you, the entire world, and thank you very much. However, I am going to deactivate my whole social media account because of the exams that I will be starting from tomorrow. I have to concentrate. As you can see, this is going to be the final semester and final exam. A little mistake might lead to several days. So I really need your prayers, and thank you for your support, and thank you for your prayers, and thank you for being there for me. And thank you, Mama. Nagodi. Bye-bye.